Congratulations if you've ever doubted yourself, because it shows that you are human. Okay? I don't think there's anybody on the face of the planet Earth that have never doubted his or herself. Nobody. I mean, nobody. Absolutely nobody. So you're just human, okay? So let's get started. How does doubt build? You see, doubt is usually external. You don't just doubt yourself. There's no smoke without fire. It's actually a result of something, okay? So let me explain better, okay? Let's say you notice that black people don't get a certain role in a society, in your society, not my society. Let's say in your society where you live, notice that black people would never become a president in that society. You notice that black people cannot do this or cannot do that. Or you notice that women don't do this, women don't do that. There's a stereotype. Even if nobody's telling you can't do it, the stereotype, what you see, is going to make you feel like, it's going to make you doubt. It's going to make you doubt yourself, okay? So that's how it works. Sometimes it could be very directed at you, in the sense that somebody may have told you you're too ugly to get the role. You're too ugly to be an actress. You're too ugly to be a public speaker. I don't think your teacher may have said, I don't think you're brilliant enough to make it to top of a class. I don't think you're brilliant enough to become this, to become that, to become a web designer. I don't think you're that intelligent. So doubts. There is no there's no smoke without fire. Doubt does not build on its own. It's usually a reflection of what we see in our society or what people may have said to us. There's it's always a build-up of something that we may have seen or something that someone may have might have said to us. Okay, so that is how it works. Okay, so that knowing that this is how it works, so let's get to the next stage. How do we solve this problem of doubt? Okay, so now you need to believe in yourself, because if you don't believe in yourself, nobody's going to believe in you. Somebody said, if you don't say that I am, nobody's going to say that you are. Okay, you have to believe in yourself. Okay, you have to believe in yourself. See, if you believe in yourself, soon enough everyone's going to believe in you. Okay, that's how it works. Okay, so let's